Taylor Swift is a true Selenator, true and true. A source close to the duo told a leading daily that Taylor thought bestie Selena slayed it in her AMA's performance of Wolves, especially considering it was her big return after her kidney surgery. Taylor is totally inspired by Selena's courageous return to performing live. After seeing her dear friend endure a traumatic health crisis, Taylor was blown away to then see Selena work hard to return to the AMAs with an emotional live performance. Taylor is touched and moved by Selena's resilience. Taylor felt proud to be Selena's friend, and she enjoyed watching her get back to her love, performing her music live for her fans. Selena's AMA performance was challenging, so Taylor was completely supportive and happy for her dear friend. Hollywood Nowers, were you just as blown away as Taylor was over Selena's rendition of Wolves at the 2017 AMAs? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and subscribe to Hollywood Now for all the latest news in Tinseltown.
Yeah.